Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will show you how to enlarge Taskbar on Windows 10, so you can make your taskbar easier to see and use. Step 1. Click on the search box on the taskbar, type Regedit, and press Enter to open Registry Editor. Registry Editor is a powerful tool that allows you to modify Windows settings that are not available in the normal interface, so be careful while using it. Step 2. In Registry Editor, navigate to HKey Current User, then click on Software, next Microsoft, and then Windows. This path leads you to the settings that control user-specific configurations for Windows. Step 3. Click on CurrentVersion, then open the Explorer folder and finally select the Advanced folder. The Advanced folder contains detailed options for customizing the appearance and behavior of Windows Explorer and the taskbar. Step 4. In the right-hand pane, right-click on an empty space, choose New, and then select DWORD, 32-bit value. This allows you to create a new setting that can adjust the size of your taskbar. Step 5. Rename the new DWORD value as TaskbarSi. Double-click it, enter 2 to enlarge the taskbar, and click OK. Setting the value to 2 increases the taskbar size, while 0 makes it small, and 1 keeps it at the default size. Step 6. Restart your system to apply the changes. Restarting ensures that Windows loads the new setting correctly, and you will now see a larger taskbar on your screen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the PC Error Detective channel for more helpful Windows tips and fixes.